Hi guys, today I want to share with you Makita DFS250 18-volt cordless screwdriver. Please like, subscribe and turn on the bell before we unbox the machine. This machine is high torque and it is ideal for decking applications. One touch locator allowed for easy locator installing or removal with a single action. Built-in LED light with afterglow function and manual off switch illuminates the work area. Silent clutch for reduced maintenance and quiet operation. Lock on button for continuous use operation.
Pakai lah. Udah 2 minit.
You can turn the chuck for your screw depth preference, which means if you turn the chuck to clockwise, the screw will go deeper.
Kalau masuk sana dia keluar lah. Oh. Jadi saya kasih dia masuk. Oh ni ada dia punya ni. Dia punya ni tenggelam.